Today we're getting some fire ready to cook some shepherd pie in a Dutch oven. So I'll just start showing y'all the fire. Oh, it's breading. Whoa, yep, just the fire is going pretty good. Wouldn't have put some pie in there. But hey, subscribe, you know what I'm saying?
I feel like this makes fish.
Okay, it's getting red.
I feel like this makes fish like
Nerf bullet versus fire.
Huh?
Nerf bullet versus fire.
Well, I'll do that. Where's one at?
Right here. Alright.
No, I'm joking.
I'm curious, guys. I'm curious.
Don't.
But what is? Well,
No curious George.
well, guys. We'll get back at you when we're ready to cook the pie. Guys, so we got the big fire back.
It's warming the ground up.
And yeah. He won't stay away.
What happens if I put lighter fluid on my boot, walk around, force fire?
You have the hot foot.
Can I do that?
No.
Dang it.
Well, when we get cook it. When we get cook it.
I've got to finish the potatoes.
Alright, you got it.
And then we put that in there,
What in there?
the hamburger meat, put the potatoes on top of it.
That's a worm! Give
Where?
it the tongs.
Where?
There's a big ass worm right
Oh, that's huge.
there. Big ass worm.
They're coming out.
It's retard ass.
Is that a worm?
Yes.
You sure? Oh, it is.
It's a toasted worm. Ha! He's solid. It's a rock solid. Dang, he's
Oh,
he's
yeah.
rock solid.
I don't think so. I think he's more like cooked.
He's hot.
Fucking retard.
$5 whoever eats it.
What?
$5
You're not
whoever eats
getting
it.
$5.
Whoever eats it is $5.
I don't.
Put them in
All
there.
right.
Well,
No, I'm keeping an eye on it right now. Oh, a big ass worm. Where is it? Where? Back in the fire?
maybe. Let's toast them. Let's toast them. Put them on a stick and let's put them over the fire.
Yeah, where did he go?
Well, guys, we'll get to you when we're after we better cook the pie. So we got the hamburger meat in the sink. I'm putting the potatoes in there now. We've got the potatoes in there. I'm setting the fire up again. Let's put it like the third time. So what is this? Shepherd pie?
Shepherd pie.
Right.
It don't really look like
So I'm cold.
Stop. Landon, stop.
So
I got a question. Why do they make like the 3 holes in the top of the lighter fluid?
yeah.
Now, guys, smear it all over.
Yep.
I
I
think that's
keep
the
take it.
spread.
Oh, I see now.
I'm going to cover it up.
Yep. Cover it up.
Oh,
with
I say, I
some
hope
tape.
you're not using them tongs. You picked up a worm with them.
Landon, stop.
Yeah, they didn't really do nothing.
That ain't doing nothing. All right, so we do that to it. All right?
Mm-hmm.
Put that back down. We're going to pick this bad boy back up right here. It's got our heat on it. We're going to bake it from the top.
Bake it
From the top.
on the top.
We need another coal.
Ooh, I got an idea.
There's one.
Shit, we put these all out.
Let's
Landon,
get your lighter and just
Landon, all these are went out.
Did you run that one?
What if you get like a straw and just light it and bake a hole on top of it? I feel like that would work. I would know.
All right, somebody set the timer for 20 minutes.
All right, we'll see you back in 25 minutes. Guys, it's been about 25 minutes. So we gotta. All right, guys, ready to see it? Okay,
I'm gonna have to rake this whole yard before I mow it.
yeah. All right, so
All right, let's open her up.
open it.
See what we got.
I'm surprised.
Oh, yeah.
There it is.
Oh,
Is
yeah.
it hot?
Uh-huh.
The calls. The officially
It's like the handle
finished.
hot?
No.
Oh, okay.
All right, what do we do next?
We take it in and we dish it up.
And, yeah, make 2 dishes. You win.
Is that all that's gonna eat it, I'm guessing? In a burger?
Huh?
Who's gonna eat it all? Oh,
You.
Oh, that looks good.
You and Charles. My
No, you.
No.
You're gonna eat it?
Open that door for me.
Open your own door.
That's your nice fun.
Oh, it's not our problem.
Really not. It wasn't mine, dude.
Hey, Jai.
Is it hot? Well,
Probably just hard to do this.
Give me some cheese. Give me that shredded cheese.
Where is it?
It's in there. Go get your mom.
Go get your mom.
Okay. So guys, be back in a minute. Guys, here's the taste test. Be hot.
Mmm. Well, that looks good. Oh boy, is it good? What's it taste like? Can you taste the seasoning? Take another bite. Let's see another bite. Come on. Because it's good enough, right? So shepherd's pie deserves to have like multiple bites. Come on. No, that's a small bite. Let's see. Come on.
Delicious, guys.
Yes. Is it good?
Delicious.
Is it good? Take another bite. Get a big bite. Let's have a big bite. Come on. Get some of that meat.
Let's go.
Get some of that pan-fried meat. Come on, let's go. Come on with it. Big old bite. No, a big old bite. Come on. Come on. Come on, like this. Let me get your big spoonful. There you go. Come on. Show your fans and followers how much you love this shepherd's pie.
Well, it's pretty good.
I know, so let's eat it. Come on, buddy. We got to eat this shit.
I already did.